Hi Rita and everyone with Buckeye Heating and Cooling. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, a local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all by yourselves. Three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first of those being content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. Google loves content, and the more content you have, the better. You got to remember though that content is not just the words on your website, it's also the pictures and what's behind the pictures and how the pictures are saved, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So like I said, Google loves content. The amount of words that you want to have on any given page that you're trying to rank is 1,500 words. This is your furnace installation page. I would imagine that's a pretty hot ticket item for you guys. And I did not put this through word counter. You do have quite a bit, but I'm going to say less than 800. So you're going to want to pump up that number of words on your page. And then if we go to your cooling page, for example, let's see here. So it looks like you do have quite a bit, but I would still say less than 800. And that's going to help you. And then also how these pictures are saved. So a lot of times, we save photos as what the computer automatically generates it to be saved as. And that's not what you want to do. So you're going to want to go ahead and implement some buyer intent keywords in there into your photos and how they're saved. And that's going to help you on the back end to rank organically in Google and the other search engines. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce, so on and so forth. And so I typed in heating and cooling Columbus, Ohio. And based on your citations, I didn't see you guys here. So we got Atlas, we got Care Heating, and we got Bryant Heating. And based on the research I did, heating and cooling Columbus, Ohio is like searched 350 times every month. So I can tell you what, when somebody types that in, which is 350 times every month, these are the guys that are getting those leads, you know? And so this is really where you want to be, and that has to do with citations. So you're going to want to go ahead and get yourself some more citations. And then again, if you're not here, you at least want to be down here. We got Atlas Butler. This is what we like to call organic search. We got Atlas Butler, we got Care Heating, we got Sears, we got CWA, we got Logan, we got Custom Air, we got CJ's, we got Indoor Temp, Fabric, but I don't see Buckeye. And that's where you want to be. You at least want to be on the first page. If not, more than likely you really want to be here. And this has to do with citations. So next, I have your GMB pulled up, and a couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the reviews. So that's definitely something to be proud of. With 656 reviews at a 4.9, you're doing really good. Bryant Heating's only got 18. So really good on that. Definitely something to be proud of. Next is your photos. So I took a look. You guys actually have the correct amount of photos. So we recommend 10 minimum. I went through. It looks like you have at least 10. I'm just not sure how they're saved. So you're going to want to go in and make sure that all your photos in this GMB are saved properly. And that's going to help you rank over here in this map pack. Other than that, keep up the good work. You have your website, you got your phone number, you got your hours and your address. Everything else is perfect. Just make sure those photos are saved properly. And other than that, you're doing a great job with that. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that BuckeyeHeat.com is at on the internet is going to give you a backlink. But you got to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So you actually have 292 backlinks coming from 39 referring domains. But you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from relevant sites. So sites that are not spammy and sites that are relevant to the heating and cooling industry. So if we got Buckeye Heating and Cooling on a backlink from a hockey arena down in Florida, it's not going to help you out and it's going to harm you. So you want to go in, do some research, find out where your backlinks are, because if you look here, this is your domain rating. You got a 3.9 domain rating. That's out of 100. So that tells me that of your 292 backlinks, 100% you have some spammy ones and some not relevant ones. So it's actually harming you. So you're going to want to go in and make sure that your backlinks are coming from the correct place. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. That's going to help you to do some research. It gives a lot of other information. That's the one we like to use. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope you use these strategies to get yourself some more leads. I like to say that contrary to popular belief, your website can bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. So I hope you implement these strategies. Any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, I hope your 2021 is good, and thank you for watching.